What is one of the most important molecules in our body? We literally can't live without it. Nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is crucial for healthy circulation, blood flow, brain and cognitive function, liver growth and regeneration, energy, recovery, stress, sexual health, libido, and most importantly, maximizing the health and performance of the most important organ in your body, your heart. That's because it acts as the body's vasodilator. This means it relaxes the walls of our blood vessels, effectively widening the blood vessels and allowing blood to flow more efficiently, helping to lower blood pressure while getting more blood circulating through your body to carry crucial oxygen and nutrients to where they are needed. But as we age, the nitric oxide that our body produces continues to decline. In fact, by the time we turn 50, our nitric oxide production is about half of what it was in our 20s, which can compromise our immune system, energy and stress levels, blood pressure, and our heart. But are you getting enough? Introducing Livegood Organic Super Reds. Formulated with only the highest quality, 100% certified organic ingredients from the purest places on the planet, Super Reds is packed with the most powerful antioxidant-rich ingredients, proven to boost your nitric oxide production and help maximize your cardiovascular health. And with certified organic beets that even Super Beets doesn't have, plus powerful ingredients that you won't find in Organifi's red juice, like antioxidant-rich hawthorn berry and vitamin-packed superfruit aronia berry, all for a price that beats all of them. Click the link below to order and see why Super Reds is quickly becoming the go-to product by people ready to take control of their cardiovascular health.